Known for its anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties, an extremely nutritious food that heals the body from within, called as Mudagathan Keerai in Tamil and balloon wine spinach in English. Today we are going to see the preparation for Mudagathan Keerai Dosa. Welcome to Water Gravy. If you like my videos, do subscribe. And to not miss out on new videos, press the bell icon after subscribing. This is Mudagathan Keerai, balloon wine, called so because of its balloon-like fruits. It is a climber. The leaves, roots, seeds all have medicinal value. You can easily grow it at home either by planting the seeds or the saplings. Once planted, they start growing in many places by seed dispersal. Only the top portion of the leaves can be cut and used. New leaves will start sprouting again from the retained part. For the preparation, take 2.5 cups of parboiled idli or dosa rice. Add water and wash 2 to 3 times. Add water and soak for 8 hours. Take half a cup of whole white urad dal. Add water and wash well. Add water and soak for 7 to 8 hours. Take the cut Mudagathan. It also goes by many names: Baddakakara, Agniballi and Jyotishmati. Remove the leaves from the stem. Usually they are in clusters of 3. Mudagathan helps treat cough, cold, piles and constipation. It helps strengthen bones when consumed at the time of menopause and for people with rheumatoid arthritis. It also helps reduce the uric acid levels for people suffering from gout. Add the leaves to a bowl. Add water. Wash thoroughly. Once washed, transfer to a colander to drain the excess water. We will need around 2.5 cups of washed Mudagathan leaves. To a grinder, add the soaked rice. Add the soaked rice water as and when required and grind to a medium fine consistency. Remove the rice batter. Now add the soaked urad dal. Discard the urad dal soaked water. Add the rice soaked water when required. When the urad dal is half ground, add the washed Mudagathan leaves, an antioxidant rich in calcium, minerals, phosphorus and iron. Mudagathan leaves also help to increase the fertility in men and help relieve menstrual cramps in women. Grind to a smooth consistency. Remove when done. Add to the ground rice batter. Mudagathan leaves have a slimy texture when ground, which gives a nice and spongy texture to the dosa. Add 2 to 2.5 teaspoons of Himalayan rock salt or crystal salt. Mix well. Close with the lid and set aside for 7 to 8 hours. After 8 hours, open the lid and mix the batter well. Add water as required and dilute it to pouring consistency. To prepare the dosa, heat a dosa tawa, add a few drops of cold-pressed sesame oil. Lightly smear the tawa with the oil. Pour the batter and spread it evenly. Add a few drops of oil and cover with the lid. Do not turn. Remove it soft. Because of the addition of Mudagathan leaves, this dosa comes out really soft and remains soft and spongy even when not hot. Tastes super good with garlic chutney. Consuming Mudagathan Keerai balloon wine spinach regularly not only provides relief to many health issues but also improves energy levels and reduces tiredness. If you like my video, do drop your comments below. Join me on Saturday for another interesting recipe.